So the place I'm eating at is not that far from here actually. It's just straight down. I actually came here yesterday. I came through this way, coming back on the tram. I came through here. The restaurant is, I think it's this one here actually. Let me see. Is it open? Okay, it's open. Let's see. This is the restaurant, guys. Starving. I actually had to go back and to get my get some cash out because I saw on the window that they allowed card, but I think there was a sign above the card logo saying that no card, I think. So it's all done now, and I think I took about £15 in total, and that should be enough to pay for my lunch. Alright, so I'm just waiting here. I've got a bottle of Coke as well. I've got a bottle of Coke, and I'm gonna get there's a dish that I found online. Can't wait to have it. Cool. Well, it's actually starting to rain a lot now. Look at that. Well, I'm just gonna wait here for like a few more minutes. It's raining so much now. Look at that, mate. Jesus Christ. People are starting to find a place to get away from the rain. Oh, Jesus. Oh, well, it's all good. I don't mind anyway. I've been in the worst places. I went to Thailand about 3 years ago, and man, it was like the rain was about 3 times as heavy like this. So it basically rained for about 10 minutes. I'm talking like heavy, big rain, like the rain that if you've seen the film Forrest Gump, and the scene when he was talking about the sort of conditions he was in when he was in the army, and seeing the film, and slim rain, fat rain, heavy rain, so it's a bit like that here. So we're gonna wait out and see what happens in the next few minutes. But hopefully the waves slowly start to subside and stop. Stuck in the rain in Krakow, Poland. Happy, got my hoodie. Ooh. So let's see what happens. Well guys, it's day 2 of my stay in Krakow, Poland. I'm actually having some cake, a donut and a coffee. I actually have checked out of my last accommodation, so I'm just trying to kill a few hours and just and hang here and stuff, and go check into my hotel around 3 o'clock this afternoon. So I'm going to do more exploring later on, and it was a great meeting my other travelers from all over the world. There was a person from India, there was someone from Argentina, and there was someone from, I think, an American person. So it was a good experience. So I'm just gonna kill some time and enjoy my donut and cup of coffee. Alright, speak soon. There are a lot of police around the main square as it's coming up to the evening now. People have started to go home, go back to the hotels and stuff. Thank you for watching over the past 3 days. Thank you very much. So let's leave it so you can hear the music from the live band. My beer is arrived. Thank you. And my soup is arrived also. Yummy. I've got the chicken soup here, and the beer, and some pierogies, which are kind of basic. Very nice. So I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna tell you how it all went. All good.